Welcome back to ClearTask. Have you ever tried to make a WhatsApp video call in a dark room only to realize the other person can't even see your face? You're not alone. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to turn on the flash, or low light mode, during a WhatsApp video call. Before we begin, this is a built-in feature, so you don't need to download any third-party apps. Just head over to your app store and make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Ready? Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp and select the contact you want to talk to. Tap the video camera icon at the top to start a video call. Once the call is ringing or after it connects, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small filter icon, which often looks like a light bulb. Tap on that icon. A menu will then appear on your screen. Simply find the low light mode option and toggle it on. Instantly, you'll notice your screen brighten up. Since most phones don't have a physical front-facing flashlight, WhatsApp uses this feature to act as a virtual flash. It illuminates your face and makes your video look much more clear and professional, even in poor lighting conditions. And that's it. It is that simple. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tech tutorials. See you in the next video.